work now. I thank God for our governor, Governor Soludo. You know, your second tenure, you must win. This is a prophetic word from Onye Eze Jesus. Coming this second tenure, Governor Soludo must win. Say any other person that is coming out should wait for another tenure. Any other person that is coming out to challenge Soludo, please wait. Because Ochelemma Gachi Ozo, Governor Soludo will win second tenure. Okay. So Governor Soludo will win. Do you know the reason why I said it? You see this lion squad, this vigilante, they are working. They are working. Please, my able governor, continue using them. This SA, Emma Akai, or I don't know, Amarona, but that man is a good man. This SA to the governor. Onye Eze Lion Sport and this Bumpy. These two men are very good. They are very good. They are handling case with their pure heart, truth. They know they look face. They will not even look your face. And they are not siding anybody. That one that is truth, that's where they will follow. Please, Governor Soludo, keep on using this lion sport, this Ibubago, and they are working. They are working. They are working. Throughout this my case now, I know how far they are gone to this case. And I urge you, my able governor, look into this matter that is in Okozo Sas. And I know that OC is a good man. OC in Okozo Sas is a good man. And I know him too. We make sure that those criminals, those people must be apprehended. Anybody that is he or her hand is not clean must face the consequences. No matter who you are, no matter who you are, I urge the OC SAS to continue with his good job. No look anybody. Because these people does not want me alive. They almost clip on me, but God said no. Once again, I thank SA to the governor with Bumpy. You people are doing an excellent job. The way you handle the case, the way you people are working now in Anambra, I salute you people. You people are working excellent. May God continue to protect Lion Squad. May God continue to protect Ebubago. May God continue to bless all our security men. Anambra. So now I will enter to the main point, the main reason why. As I am talking to you now, have you given your life to Jesus Christ?